Times are changing and you need to start using AI on your Pinterest strategy. I know some people are against it, but I'm definitely not one of them. I believe that using AI at certain parts of your workflow can do wonders for your Pinterest account. I know that AI is growing at exponential rates these days, and I'm sorry to tell you, but if you are not using it, you can be left behind. But there are ways and ways on how to use AI on Pinterest, and today I'm going to teach you what works and what doesn't work on Pinterest. When I talk about use AI on Pinterest, I'm definitely not talking about creating those very fake AI images that anyone can spot from a distance. They are fake, they're not authentic. I'm also not talking about doing spammy behavior and publishing like 300 pins a day. No, that's not the kind of AI that works in the long-term game of Pinterest. By the way, never do spammy behavior on Pinterest. I mean, on any platform. You can use AI in many different ways to help you optimize and create better content for your Pinterest account. But here are 3 of the best ways you can and you should use AI to help on your Pinterest strategy. First, to help you plan your content. Let's say you can use ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever AI tool you like to help you plan your content. You can use it to help you generate ideas for your pins. You can use it to help you to plan and create a consistent schedule so you can publish on Pinterest, or you can also use it to optimize your account and your board. The second way you can use AI is to create text. You can create good quality titles and captions with the help of AI for your Pinterest pins. This is definitely a way you can use to optimize both your time and your content. We all know that Pinterest is all about quality, so make sure you create great prompts so you can have good quality titles and captions. Another way you can use ChatGPT is to make it add keywords inside of your titles and captions. Just make sure you tell it to add it in an organic and natural way, because always remember, we are always writing for people, not for AI, not for Pinterest. Another way you can use AI is to create pin designs and pin images. I've already did a video on how I use Ideogram to create amazing pins in very few minutes. So if you want to watch it, I will leave the link in my description or in a card maybe here in the screen so you can watch it later on. The fourth and actually a bonus way you can use AI for your Pinterest strategy is to use AI to analyze your Pinterest analytics. Inside of Pinterest, you can download your Pinterest analytics, impressions, engagement, saves, outbound clicks, and you can upload this file to ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever AI tool you're using to analyze it and tell you what's the best performing pins. Maybe you want more saves, maybe you want more outbound clicks or more impressions. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze it and tell you the best performing pins. Now you know how to use AI to optimize and create faster content to your Pinterest account, but you may not know how to actually create a good strategy to grow your Pinterest account. If it's you, watch this next video where I teach you my 5 proven steps on how to grow on Pinterest.